Hey y'all, I just got out of the shower, as you can see, and my Ipsy box is here, so we're gonna do an unboxing. Sorry for how I look, but you know, we're going with it. Okay, Beauty Nightmares is this month's theme. I got the glam bag, which is this one. It is 5 deluxe beauty samples. You get to choose one of the products. It can be worth up to $70 and it's only $14 a month. Okay, I can't wait to see the bag for Halloween. Last year's was so cute. Oh, this is so cute. And then the zipper has a little crystal ball on it. This is so pretty. Okay, first up, there is a all over eyeshadow brush. It is from Wing Me. We go in here. First up, this is Dew of the Gods. It is a mini hyaluronic lip butter in strawberry mandarin. And then we have a little palette. Glimmer Shimmer highlighter and blush from Pacifica. How cute. That's really pretty. Okay, vitamin enriched face base, all-in-one primer and moisturizer from Bobbi Brown. Final item in here is the Beauty Stat Peptide Wrinkle Relaxing Moisturizer. Alright, now we are on to the next. This is the BoxyCharm subscription. It is $30 a month. The products are worth up to $200. You get 5 full-size beauty products and you get to choose 3 of said products. It's from Clara's. It is an advanced serum with vitamin E and vitamin C. It's for brightening, minimizing your pores, and corrects uneven skin tones. This is from Makeup Forever. It is a mist and fix 24-hour hydrating face mist. And then I have a Tarte liquid blush, and it is in the shade Peach. This is from Delish. It is a lip scrub. Finally, there's a little palette in here. This is from Eloise. It is the Goddess palette. This packaging is so pretty. And then here are the shades. Look, those are so pretty. I think this is a new keep. I usually give away a lot of the palettes because I have so many, but this is so pretty. Like, I need to use that blue. It's gorgeous. But yeah, that is the October Ipsy box. Thank you so much, Ipsy. I love you so much. I'm so excited. If you like these unboxings, I do them every single month. I've been doing them for over a year now. So yeah, you can go on my page and find more Ipsy unboxings. But yeah, that is it. Again, thank you, Ipsy. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.